So one problem we sometimes have when we sew on fairly fine fabrics is, when we do the necklines and we put an interfacing on, and the reflection of the interfacing shows through the thin fabric. So what I've done here is I've lined the interfacing, I've ironed on the interfacing onto a slightly thicker fabric, and then I've used the thinner fabric for the underlining, and I've trapped the interfacing in between so that it hides away the reflection of the. I'm going to put the neckline out because it's looking slightly stretched, and that's because I've overlocked the edges, and when you overlock the edges, the fabric inside of the circles tends to slightly pucker, and the way you get that out is once you cut into it, the neckline sits a lot better. So now the neckline is sitting a lot better, and is slightly stretched out because of the fabric. It wasn't sitting properly at first. So what we're going to do is place the thicker fabric facing the right side of the thicker fabric facing down, and we're going to center attach the neckline to the required width, and we're going to pin that into place and then stitch and cut around. Get down, come on. So we're going to center. Actually, wrong. Better think before we do this. Okay, so the thinner side we're facing in. That's what we're doing. And the thicker side, because when we turn this, we want, yeah, that's right. So the thicker side that you've lined the interfacing with, make it facing you, and the thinner side of the fabric, the chiffon type that we've used that is similar to the dress, the two similar fabrics need to face each other, and then we need to just pin this into place. Now we suggest to pin it because we've got fabric here. When we pin, the fabric actually tends to stick in. So now this, you could probably just about see the reflection. We're going to sew around, you can see just about the reflection, and we're going to sew on the interfacing and then cut into the neckline and then lay out our top edge of the neckline.